Welcome to Predicted Trades. Today I want to show you how to build an OCO order on your options trading. I like to use this day to day when I'm trading options off of our key levels that we provide in Predicted Trades. Here's an example of a trade we took today, October 3rd, 2022. SPY had its very strong rally day all day, melting up higher to start the month of October. Midday, I called out a trade at our key buy level here at 97 cents. We actually got in at about $1.05 average across the board in the room. And we let that ride on up to our key targets above with our trail line and our indicator helping provide support on that rally. I like to manage these trades by kicking out an OCO order so that the trade actually ends up managing itself. Over here you can see an example of an OCO order that I've built as a template in the Active Trader. If you're not familiar with the Active Trader, it is a feature in ThinkorSwim. It's right on the side of your chart. You click that Active Trader to pull it up. When you first pull up Active Trader, it will probably say a single order and whatever your default quantity is, and it shows a ladder with prices, making it very easy to click on the left to buy and on the right to sell your options as they change price. So today I called out this trade at about $1.05. I'm going to show you how to build an OCO order like mine to manage your contracts. I like to start with a quantity of 3, and then I'll move to this trigger with 3 brackets. It will pull up this template showing you 3 separate bracketed orders with a stop and a take profit. Now I start to set the levels. Over here you can set it by dollar amount, but I like to set it by percentage. So I set all these to percentage. Then I like to start with a 50%. Whoop, that was too much. 50%, there we go. With a 30% trail. I'm sorry, with a 30% stop. Then I'll set one for 100%, a double, with the same 30% stop. And then another, say at 200, with another 30% stop. The last order I'll put as a trailing stop, because the last contract that I lock, I might want to let our trail line and our tool carry it on up. So today those hit our key buy zone that we provide to our members every day, called out this trade in the room and said getting in at about $1.05. So just to show you how to do that order, once you have all of your settings in place, just like I did, you can come in and save that template. I like to call mine 3 quantity OCO. So now, anytime I come in to take a trade, let's just say we reset back to what it normally looks like. Anytime I come in to take a trade, I can hit whatever quantity I want, go to a 3 OCO, boom, I'm ready to go with all of the numbers we just input. We got in that today at $1, so I want to show you what that trade looked like. We place our order at $1. We have our trail 30% below that at 70 cents. And then we have our take profits above, with our last take profit also tied to a trailing stop that will follow price action. That's why it's sitting up here. But when we placed the order, it was sitting down with our other trailing stop, or our other stops, sorry. And then once it started to climb, the trailing stop climbs up with it. Once these orders are placed, I like to take and drag each order to key levels. The second order I drag up to this purple hash line. The first take profit I drag to this little purple solid line in the top of our sell zone. So we get in at $1. The first take profit gets hit at about $2.25. The second take profit would get hit at about $3.33. And we can place our last take profit, which is in here, although it's covered. Basically, we'd take that last stop, the third one, and place it up near our next level or above it and let our trail carry up until it gets taken out. So in a way, we just have to nail our entry off of our buy zones with an OCO order like this and then let it play out. We can use our trail green line and cloud as a visual indicator. This trail line should push us up when we're trending in that direction. So we can let this trail line carry us up to each profit target. And once it's violated with the trailing stop, we're all out of that trade. There's another simple way to build an OCO order. Go ahead and cancel these. Let's say you're just getting alerted to the trade and you're trying to jump in on the fly. So you place your order at $1 to buy a few. Next, you can come in and hit an OCO. The first thing you're going to want to place is a stop. So we were at $1. We can place our stop at 70 cents. You can see it created a bracket order and it went ahead and put an arbitrary take profit up above. The only thing is this will be tied to however many contracts you started with on your single order. If you want to build a multi-layer order like the 3 that I just used as an example, you have to move to that trigger bracket 3. But if you're moving quickly and on the fly, you can jump in and then build your OCO around it. So hopefully this is helpful for everybody. Just wanted to put together a quick video to show you how to build that OCO quickly, how to save it as a template so that anytime you're ready to get into a trade, you can pop it right up and you can hit your buy order wherever you'd like. Just to reiterate, dropping it at $1, and we get all of our stops that we can drag to our key levels. So hopefully this was helpful for everybody. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and maybe even comment on YouTube so that we can see that if it's helping you in your own trading. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't heard of Predicted Trades, we're kind of new to the service. We've been around about a year, but we provide amazing predicted levels every day on your options charts with key buy zones and key take profit levels that turn into amazing trades. Today we took this $1 to $4.25, $4.50. So if you're new to Predicted Trades, check us out. There's a link to join our Discord in the description of this video. You can join for free and test out our tools every Thursday and Friday. We allow folks to try a free version of our tools to put on their options charts that will work for the current week's expiration. So you can test the system and start to make money with it before you even sign up. We like to think that the system should pay for itself and allow you to sign up and continue based on the system in our callouts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the chat.